We need to stop pretending that typing paragraphs of text into a terminal to fix a visual UI bug is the future of programming. We have handed the keys to our code bases over to systems that are fundamentally blind. You spin up a tool like Claude Code, give it a complex refactoring task, and then sit there helplessly watching your terminal scroll for 5 minutes. It traps you in a linear loop of trial and error, guessing paths and blindly editing the wrong files, until it completely exhausts your token budget and crashes into a rate limit wall on an error it never even understood in the first place. You are wasting more time debugging your AI than it would take to just write the code yourself. But what if the underlying architecture of your agent wasn't bottlenecked by a single, blind, linear reasoning chain? What if you never had to write a massive text essay to explain a UI layout glitch again? Imagine taking a raw, 5-second screen recording of a broken animation, dragging that video file directly into your terminal, and watching an array of coordinated sub-agents instantly isolate the component and fix the bug on the very first try, all while cutting your API bills by nearly 90%. I completely uninstalled Claude Code from my system this week for a brand new project called Kimi Code, and it is entirely shifting the industry from text-based guessing to high-velocity visual execution. By the end of this video, I am going to show you exactly how this multi-agent swarm operates under the hood, how to possess your graphical editors like JetBrains and Zed using the Universal Agent Client Protocol, and I will give you the exact one-line command to get this running on your local machine today. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. To understand why Kimi Code completely obliterates Claude Code, you have to look at the architectural nightmare that makes traditional terminal agents fail. Claude Code runs on a single linear loop. If it encounters an error, it passes that exact error back to the same model instance, creating a feedback loop that leads to hallucinations and rapid token drainage. Kimi Code runs on the newly upgraded Kimi K2.6 engine, which introduces a horizontal agent swarm architecture. Instead of relying on one isolated context window, Kimi can dynamically spin up and coordinate up to 300 specialized sub-agents simultaneously. If one sub-agent hits a bug, the master agent instantly routes that specific problem to a specialized debugging swarm that runs parallel validation checks, executing up to 4,000 continuous steps without ever losing track of your original root architecture. It is the difference between hiring a single junior developer who gets confused and loops forever, versus deploying an entire coordinated engineering department to attack your code base. The best part is how this split architecture handles execution. The lightweight CLI layer and the core agent orchestration run completely locally on your hardware for instant terminal speed, meaning it integrates flawlessly with a local setup like a Mac Mini or a MacBook. But the heavy lifting and multimodal reasoning are passed to an ultra-fast cloud API, powered by a massive 1 trillion parameter mixture of experts model. This MOE design creates a massive cost arbitrage that makes Claude Code look financially reckless. Claude forces you to pass your entire codebase back through an expensive, monolithic model on every single turn, burning through your Anthropic credits at an unsustainable rate. Kimi's mixture of experts architecture only activates 32 billion parameters per token based on the specific task. You get the deep execution capability of a trillion parameter model, but at a fraction of the cost, allowing you to run heavy, multi-hour back-end refactors without waking up to a surprise $300 API bill. But the absolute killer feature that makes text-only agents obsolete is native multimodal video context injection. Traditional CLI agents are fundamentally blind. Kimi Code has actual eyes because its underlying model was trained on 15 trillion mixed visual and text tokens. If you are dealing with a complex front-end layout shift, or a weird visual bug that only happens when resizing a browser, you don't type a prompt. You just hit screen record, grab a 5-second clip, and drag that raw MP4 file directly into the terminal window. Kimi Code natively processes the video frames, maps the visual layout against your local file tree, targets the exact component, and fixes the code perfectly without you writing a single line of descriptive text. It even features video to code shortcuts out of the box, meaning you can drop in a cinematic video to automatically generate a ready-to-use .cube LUT file, or drop in a long workflow recording to generate an end-to-end Python automation script based entirely on watching your screen actions. Finally, Kimi code transitions from a standard syntax coder to a true domain expert through its newly launched data source plugin marketplace. Most agents hallucinate wildly when dealing with deep business logic, but Kimi features native plugins that hook the agent directly into live stock prices, complex financial statements, and academic paper datasets. If you ask it to code a quantitative trading algorithm, it doesn't just write generic Python boilerplate. It activates its internal financial plugins, injects real-world market constraints into its reasoning, and outputs production-ready code that matches actual market structures. Because it leaves hooks open for custom tools, you can easily wire your own proprietary enterprise APIs straight into its execution loop. Let's start with the installation part. Just head over to kimi.com/code. Right at the top, you will see a drop-down menu. Select your operating system, whether you are on Mac, Linux, or Windows, and it will generate a single-line installation command. Just copy that command, open up your terminal, paste it in, and hit enter. The script handles the entire installation process automatically. Once it finishes, just restart your terminal and navigate to whatever project folder you want to work on. Type Kimi to spin up the agent. To authenticate, simply type /login and select your preferred method. You can use standard OAuth or plug in your Kimi API key directly. And just like that, your workspace is possessed and ready to start building. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this CLI is entirely open source. If you want a full masterclass on advanced Kimi code workflows, or if you want me to show you exactly how to wire this up to run entirely local models like a llama, let me know in the comments. If there is enough demand, I will put together a dedicated deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.